Don't buy the full container of tiles before watching this video. Are you tired of same old routine of purchasing tiles for a full container having one size or one design?
It's the same thing all over again.
Then hold on to your hats, because we are going to talk about how you can solve this problem and how you cannot be boring or how you cannot be tired by having mixed container. Yes, you heard it right, because TIEIC is answer to all your questions. We offer the mixed containers to our customers. So if you are thinking of importing tiles, then do visit our website, because we have a catalog wherein you can choose the tiles which help you to have a mixed container. You can choose the design as per your requirements and as per your match, and you can order in the mix and match designs. Let's say if you want to have this white marble design of 6 pallets, you can give the orders of 6 pallet of this and 6 pallet of this, and you can have like mix and match of such design, and you can have the full container with mix and match designs. The other thing why you should choose TIEIC is not just you have mixed container, but also because we have unparalleled variety. We have lots of varieties to offer you. Let's say we have more than 500 plus designs for that is designed for the American homes and interiors.
Wow, wonderful news.
We also offer the outdoor tiles as well, the 2 cm tiles as well, for matching your interior and taking your project to the next level. The second point why you should choose TIEIC, because it is cost efficient. As I said, we offer mix and match for the container. You don't have to go for the same old pattern for importing from India. You can mix and match the tiles. That will help you to reduce your dead stock, and which will lead to cost reduction. You don't have to keep the dead stock for a longer period of time. You can order as per your requirements, and which will reduce your cost. So that is also one of the benefit that you should choose TIEIC. The another point is Streamline Logistics. We have streamlined our entire export process. Our efficient team ensures that whatever order or whatever mix and match order receives, they are packed carefully and delivered to you safely, and the products are delivered to you in a good quality. Then with the quality, of course, with this part, the great work of our logistics, of course the quality part comes. So when it comes to Streamline Logistics, quality is also an important part. So our dual quality checking system helps you to receive the best samples. I have already made a video on how we check our samples or how the quality is checked. I am attaching the link to it in the comment section. Do not forget to watch that video after this. So the last point that why you should choose TIEIC is dedicated support team. Yes, you heard it right. We have our local representative is there in America. We have our importers exclusive showroom there in America. I am attaching the link of the location. You can visit the store and you can select the designs that whatever you like. You can check the samples at what you like and you can order as per that. You don't have to go for the online catalog or the other things. It is actually very helpful for our clients because it is very easy to communicate. You get faster response when you have local representative there. So you can always talk with them and they will come up to us or they will talk on behalf of you. So that will help for the faster communication and easy understanding. So these are the reasons why you should always go for TIEIC before buying the full container from India, because we offer mix and match. So if you think that this video was interesting or if you like this video, then do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe for more such videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.